Hi, I am Leon Harris. I'm the designer and owner of LH Design, Burial Garments and More. And I welcome you to our Custom Concierge Services workroom. So today I just want to give you a brief synopsis of what our designs look like and how they're manufactured here in USA, right? More specifically in Atlanta. We have Lucille. And may I say, before I continue, that the dresses are designed after the alphabets. And of course, L and H started first. So Lucille is the first one. We have lacy, which is the open down jacket appearance, excuse me. And then we have a lentine that's not completely yet finished. But then we move on to the H, which is Harriet. Which is our full sheath, fully lined sheath with a detachable collar. Oh, and may I add that the back is open for that unique fit so that the dresser can actually contour the dresses to the deceased.
That's one of the things that sets these burial garments apart from ordinary clothes is that opening in the back.
Yes,
because
ma'am.
the body's just laying in the casket or on the table for dressing.
That's right.
So you lay it over the body.
That's right.
And then tuck it under.
That's right. So it gives a nice fit as if though they were standing upright.
Mm-hmm.
Latest design is called Shadora, and she comes with a scarf, gloves. It's a fully lined, beaded, three-dimension sheath. Of course, once again, it's open in the back. And we also, for those hat lovers, we have something unique with the little hat with the mourner's veil on it. We do create our styles out of the same lace as well. So let me just take you to how we started out. We select from our fabrics, we have 3 different laces. We have our traditional lace, which is the classic lace. We have our classic pearl beaded lace, which has pearls in it. And then we have our elegant pearl beaded lace, which has the pearls, sequins, bugle beads. It's a little more intricate in design. And then, of course, our satins. So once we decide what color the gown is going to be made out of, a style, we come to our cutting table. This is where we cut. And once we cut, we generally will come here and maybe begin the stitching of the gown and create something like this. And once we create it like to this form, it then comes from this side, or once it's cut and hung there, come from this side. We come to the industrial machine, and this is where it's kind of finished off. All our gowns are hand sewn. So we finish our hemlines, of course, with a nice hem, and it's left this way so that if you do a full couch presentation, you could actually fold it up and hem it with ease versus taking out a original hem. So you can make it as short as you want or let it down as long as it needs, and you just kind of press it in and you have a hem for a full couch presentation.
And you don't do all of it. You just do the custom orders.
That is correct.
Yeah, you have a team that does.
We have a team across Atlanta and South Florida that actually put the gowns together. We sell accessories like the necklace, and I showed you the hat. We also have in our custom concierge department, we do the undergarments, the bra, the undergarments, the underpants, and we do stockings, gloves, we do handkerchiefs, we do casket embellishments with that match the
dress,
mm-hmm. Which is what we call our overlay, which is the 2-piece set that's the extend over and the apron, or the full casket blanket that covers the entire casket. So now, going back to what I previously mentioned about the styles that they are named, and they started out with L and H, obvious for Leon Harris. We are now on letter D. We C and D. That's why we got Shadora, and I'm going to introduce you to the diamond. We try to change our styles at least every 7 to 10 months. We try to change the style or the fabric, if not both. So come with me and I'm going to show you our latest design, which is diamond, and that's what we're working on now. Diamond is a hand sewn Swarovski crystal combined rhinestone number, and basically what I've been trying to do is finish this by doing a very intricate, I want to do a very heavy beaded neckline necklace, so it'll appear as if though she has just a whole studded collar, but this is all individually hand sewn, and of course it is open in the back, but she is called Diamond.
So what are your plans for the future?
Well, we are thinking about traveling abroad, places like South Korea and Dubai, to try to find Indian laces, some more hand-sewn beaded laces. We're just going to try to open the spectrum of style and design by just going internationally now and see what we can find for fabric.
And how about expanding who buys these dresses? Primarily your market is?
Primarily our market is the African culture. We are trying to open the doors to our Caucasian markets, our Indian markets, our Chinese, Hispanic, simply because I think with the traditional burial shroud, unlike the burial gowns, the shrouds were more designed in a chiffon, tulle-looking look that appeared like a nightgown versus a gown for burial gown that looks more like they're going for the great celebration. They're going the way they dress to go out for a nice evening, or so we try to think of it as we want the families and the friends to, once they view, they don't look at them like they're sleeping, but they're on their way to the great celebration.
They're going to a party.
Yeah, a party, that's right.
So how can people find you online?
Well, you can find us on our website. It's lhdesign54.com, or you can reach out to one of our care associates at 470-494-1046.